Kentucky. It's our first time here and we're excited to explore. I just see a building. We are going to go and see a horse race at, because I can never remember the name.
Churchill Downs.
At Churchill Downs.
A horse race? I can't wait. Are we watching a horse race?
Not right now, we're not.
Oh, will we? We have seen Jingle Bell on our different house.
Jingle bells.
Yes, on the house.
We're going to Churchill Downs. It's what the rich people do. They go to the Derby. It's the first time that we've ever been here. And if we would have known a couple of things beforehand, we would not have bought tickets online. We're riding to Churchill Downs in a go-kart. We would have just waited until we got there. And look at that! Why is it so fast?
Yeah.
So we don't have to walk. Someone's taking us all the way down there. Isn't that so nice? Your little mug is so messy.
Okay.
Right through there.
Right through the turnstile?
And you get like through one of those doors and stay right there. Go up to the second floor, walk straight ahead like a 316 right in front of you.
Okay.
I just drive through
Okay.
that.
You like that? Okay, thank you. A lot of times you get
I
other
hope
ones.
the car's locked.
I hope so too.
I don't know if it is.
What do you want to do? I can't lock it, so.
Well, I know it is. Yeah, I don't.
You want me to run
I
back?
can't lock it.
You want me to run back?
It's Kylie.
Outside food and beverages are also not permitted due to the Kentucky Derby since 1875. Please have your style. To purchase the tickets for entry, please download the Churchill Downs mobile app or visit our ticket office. Please note. Thank you for visiting, and please drive safe.
I'm itchy.
Sorry.
Might be in there.
What? You want to ride the horse?
No, go back.
I'll go back in the car.
Why are we not petting him? It's with
Because they don't belong to us. Look, Sienna. And instead of getting tickets with seats, we would have just paid for general admission because it was just a day when there weren't very many people there and you could really sit wherever you wanted. Sit down, Ellen. So we sat right at the finish line because everyone was just kind of moving about and sitting wherever. Hi!
We should have someone get a picture of us.
It's not a race yet. They're just warming up.
what do warming up mean?
It means that they're warming the horses' bodies up.
What?
It means they're
Exercising.
They're working out, yeah.
Sienna, are you excited?
Yes. And scared. going to get run over.
Yeah. Just hearing the crowd roar because everyone's got money on these horses, so they're all like cheering so emphatically for a different horse to win. Evelyn, you want to go sit by them so I can get your picture with them? No? Okay.
Yeah.
You do want to? Okay, go sit by them. Evelyn, look at mommy. As you're watching family vlogs, if you ever like think to yourself, oh my goodness, they're the perfect family. They never have any problems with their kids. It's because when we do have problems with our kids, we don't have time to record those problems. So just so you know, it is not always smooth sailing with the Taylor tadpoles. In fact, today was pretty rough. We have some very tired kids. Are you ready to go home? You tired? You just get to see the best just because we're too busy parenting on the other times. Would you say that's pretty accurate? What do you guys think of the horse race?
Amazing.
Amazing?
Yeah, and pet him.
Yeah, well, most people don't get to do that. We're just like everyone else, I guess.
Why?
Because there's nothing special about us. Nothing special at all about us. Yes, there is. What's so special about us? That's true. We're very lucky, huh? Why do we call it Taylor tadpoles? That's what Mommy and Daddy came up with.
Because we are tailors and we had kids or tadpoles.
The reason we called it Taylor tadpoles is because we felt like we were tadpoles in a great big huge pond, the world, and we wanted to see it all. I cannot look at your feet right now.
Why?
Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so that you can see more awesome travel vlogs, more awesome family travel vlogs.